In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet login page in your web browser. You can do this from your usual browser on desktop or laptop, and once the page loads, you should see the sign in area where Smartsheet asks for your account details. Make sure you're on the correct official login page before entering any information, especially if you accessed it through a bookmark or a shared link. Once you're on the login screen, enter your email address in the field provided. This should be the email connected to your Smartsheet account, usually your work email if your organization manages access for your team. Take a quick moment to check for any typing mistakes here because even a small error can prevent you from moving forward to the correct sign-in method. After entering your email address, click Continue. Smartsheet will use that email to determine how your account is set up and what login options are available to you. Depending on your organization, this next screen may look slightly different, and that's completely normal. If you're prompted for a password, enter your password carefully in the password field. Since passwords are case sensitive, make sure your caps lock is off unless it's intentionally part of your password. If you're using a shared or public device, avoid saving your login details in the browser for security reasons. If your company requires single sign-on, use that option instead of entering a standard password. In that case, Smartsheet will typically redirect you to your organization's secure sign-in page, where you'll log in using your company's authentication system. Just follow the prompts on that page to continue. This is common in workplace environments where account access is managed centrally by an IT team. You may also be asked to complete a verification step if needed. This could include approving a sign-in request, entering a temporary verification code, or confirming your identity through your organization's security process. Complete that verification carefully and wait for the system to finish signing you in before clicking anything again. Once login is complete, open your Smartsheet workspace. Depending on your account, you may land on the home page first, and from there, you can navigate to the workspace you need. If you already have recent items visible, your workspace may be easy to access right away, and that's it. You've successfully signed in and opened your Smartsheet workspace, so you're ready to start working.